What's going on YouTube? Chris back here with another video. Basically this video we're going to kind of mock up the whole intake manifold, see where I gotta like run lines, what all I have to do to cut the water pump housing. We're gonna change the thermostat while the intake's off, do a whole bunch of things. But yeah, let's get this video started. Here we go. Alright. Look at how big this manifold is compared to the RBC. RBC looks like a baby compared to this. But I'm gonna swap the fuel rail over, all the fuel injectors. The throttle body is actually sold. Yeah, throttle body sold. Yeah, I ordered a new TPS. I'm getting rid of that TPS. So I also bought this thing, and let's explain this. K-Tune makes this post mount / tensioner all in one. So I already took off. Sorry I didn't record this. But basically how this goes here, this is gonna go in here, and then that's gonna act as a belt tensioner. I'm actually gonna cut this off. We're not gonna use that no more. And then the auto tensioner was bolted here, and then I had the power steering delete up top. Those are both off, and then we're gonna run that. Basically this is gonna be my power steering delete type of deal, and then this is gonna be my tensioner where I can adjust it and do everything with the K-Tune. And then once I cut this, I can actually fit that manifold, because that manifold doesn't fit because it's hitting right here. So once we cut this, then the manifold will fit, and then we just got to figure out all of our accessories to retain AC down there. But I'm gonna try and put this bad boy on right now, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, so basically it mounts back in. We also got the whole side mount pulley in from K-Tuned. It looks awesome in there. But look at how much clearance it gives you after that. The tensioner was here before, so that's a good 2-inch gap now. So once we cut this off, look at the straight shot that we got to that runner. And basically with this skunk 2 manifold, it's a straight shot, so it's coming along. But we're pretty cut there. We had to take a little breather. We're about to change the disc, and this bad boy's a little hot, so we're giving it a little break. This is the 1999 Harbor Freight. So yeah, we're ready. Go ahead. Yeah, it's off. I forgot to record, so we had to kind of rig it for you guys. But it's off. We're about to grind this bitch. Huh? So we got it on. It is fucking huge. Look at that clearance. But we're a little too close over here, so we're gonna take it off and do some trimming. So it didn't fit. My hood didn't close. So we accomplished some things today. We didn't get everything accomplished, but we accomplished some things today. Intake's on. I mean, it's not 100% on. This is a quick little mock-up. We actually shaved the block today. Well, the water pump housing. We shaved the water pump housing so the intake actually fits on. We got all that fit, and then basically we were like, oh, is the clearance on the hood pretty good? So we went to go close the hood. The hood actually did not close. It was actually hitting the manifold like right here. So I didn't want to do this, but this is what we had to do. We actually had to cut a hole in the hood. Well, just like the skeleton. Like the outside's still good, but just like the skeleton on the inside. But intake's pretty much mocked up. We kind of know where it's going to be. I'm also going to make a few modifications over here. Like if you look at the throttle body, look at the angle kind of on that hose, and my coolant tank is in the way. So I'm going to have to relocate the coolant tank, and I'm probably going to have to shorten this hose a little bit so it kind of pushes it in. And thanks for watching the video. There's definitely going to be a part 2 to this video because we're still not done 100% installing the intake yet. There's going to be a part 2, maybe a part 3. But yeah, thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.